Welcome back. Let's do an exercise on grammar. Sentence number 1. He dashed to university daily. And we have got two options, goes and going. Goes and going. Now we have to focus on each and every word of the sentence. He dashed to university daily. So the key word for using goes or going is daily. Means something that is done in routine or in a habitual action or as a habit. Then we have to put present simple. So go is the present simple, but once there is third person singular, means he, she, it, or any singular name, then if there is present simple, it is followed by s or es. In this case, goes is the right option. Why? Because he goes to university daily. It is a routine work of that particular person, so we have to opt for goes. Number 2, my son to Paris last month. So over here, the word last month, these two words are the key, especially last one. So the option is go and went. So if there is a routine work, then we go for a simple present tense, that may be go over here. But if there is an action that happened in the past, as in this case, my son dashed to Paris last month, so that last month, that reflects that the action happened in the time that has gone. So for that we have to put simple past or the past form of verb, that is went. Then comes sentence number 3. He dashed from fever since Monday. So over here we can see that a person is suffering from fever, but that person is that has suffered from fever, so it shows that the complete action is there. But at the same time, the time has mentioned, that is Monday. The time has been mentioned through using since. So since Monday means right from the Monday, that person has suffered from fever, but still he is suffering as well. So it means we have got two options, has suffered or has been suffering. So we ought to put right or correct option over here out of these two available. So in this case, we can say the action started in the past. We can see that a person was suffering, means from Monday. Let's see, this is Monday. So up till now, he has suffered from, means action is completed. He has suffered from fever, but still he is not over. He has not recovered from that illness. So it means the action is continued as well. So that continuity shows that action is completed, means perfect. Mean he has suffered from fever. Right, let's say today is Friday, so he has suffered from fever right from Monday to Friday. So this is a completion of that activity or that action or that illness, but still he has not recovered. So that's why we have to go for has been suffering. Mean has shows perfection along with past participle or third form, that is been. So this particular part shows perfection and suffering shows continuity. So we are to opt for this. He has been suffering from fever since Monday. Now sentence before, he dash just now. Has arrived. So in this case we have to opt for the right option out of arrived and has arrived. So the word now is the key over here. Just now. So we may not use it into in simple past. Why? Because action that was completed, that started in the past and completed in the past, or something that happened in the past. But he says that now, the word now is key over here. So this particular word shows that we have to opt for that the action he has arrived just now. So he has arrived, not he arrived. Number 5, I dash working for 2 hours. Over here for is there, means, but the time is not specific. So we ought to opt for have been or am. I am working for 2 hours or I have been working for 2 hours. Just like sentence number 3, the action starts in the past, means there is a person who starts some work and he completes that particular work, a portion of that, so that shows perfection or completion. But after completing that, after doing that work for 2 hours, still he is doing that. So it means we have to use present perfect continuous tense. So we have to go for he has been working for 2 hours. Why? Has plus been means has plus past participle or third form shows completion, and this part that shows continuity is reflected from this ing, just like the one we just did it. Now number 6, I dash in Paris since 1999. So again over here the word since shows that some action has been completed, but at the same time that is still in continuity. Again he says that a person is there. He says that I am residing somewhere in Paris. So if I say right from 1999 to 2024 I have lived in Paris, but there is a continuity as well. That continuity is reflected through that still I am living over there. So this is a completion, mean right from 1999 to 2024 I have lived in Paris, but still I am living over there. So we have to go for present perfect continuous. So I will opt for this one, that is I have been living. So again here we can see that have shows presence. So present tense is there, been that is third form past participle, that shows that there is a completion of action, and living ing shows continuity. So hopefully this is quite clear. Now number 7, Queen Elizabeth II dash in 2022. So options are died or has died. So we will go for died. Why? Because this is happened in the past. This has happened in the past. So Queen Elizabeth II died in 2022. Simple past will be the option. Has died shows action that has just completed, or just means a few moments earlier that is completed. Now we sentence number 8 is she dashed before her husband came. So over here we have got two actions. Number 1 is from she to over here. Then we have got this word before, that is subordinating conjunction. And her husband came, this is action 2. So this action, that is action 1, and this one is action 2. So both the actions, they are separated or connected by a subordinating conjunction, that is before. So once there are two actions, one action will be in the past, the other one will be in past perfect. So we will go for she had died or died. The option will be had died. Why? This is past perfect. She had died. This is past perfect. One action or action 1 will be in past perfect before her husband came. So this action, that is action number 2, that is in simple past. So once there are two actions inside one sentence combined or joined by subordinating conjunction, action 1 will be in past perfect tense and action 2 will be in simple past. So over here we'll write she had died before her husband came. Now sentence number 9, just like number 8, the train had left. Over here action 1, that is in past perfect. So this action is in past perfect, but both of these actions are connected by a subordinating conjunction, just like sentence number 8. So he says the train had left before they dashed the station. So over here we will opt for not for past perfect, rather we will go for simple past. Why? Because action 1 is in past perfect. The train had left, so it is in past perfect. So this was action 1. So once the action one of the action is in past perfect, the other is compulsorily going to be in simple past. So over here the word arrived is action 2. They arrived the station, this is action 2, and the word arrived is simple present. So it means that the train had left before. This is a conjunction that is subordinating conjunction. The train had left before they arrived the station. So arrived shows simple present, and had left reflects that this action was in past perfect. So sorry, this is not simple present, this is simple past. So once there are two actions connected by a complex or subordinating conjunction, then we have to opt for action 1 as past perfect and action 2 for simple past. Hope the answer is clarified.